applied matte top coat, but it still looks shiny. You cured it correctly. So why isn't it matte? Let's break it down. Matte doesn't mean dull. A matte surface works by diffusing light. Inside a matte top coat, there are microscopic particles that break up reflection. Gloss reflects light evenly. Matte scatters it. If the layer is too thin, those particles sink into the gel underneath. If you overbrush, you smooth the surface too much. And when the surface becomes too smooth, light reflects evenly again. And that is why it looks glossy. The most common mistake is applying matte-like glossy top coat. Matte needs structure. If it is too thin, you lose the texture that diffuses light. To get a true matte finish, apply an even layer. Don't overbrush, cure, as recommended. Let it cool before touching. Different nail gel polishes can give you different textures. On your nails after you apply matte top coat, matte isn't random. It is surface balance. Control the surface, you control the finish.